So this is the basement before, and it was very dingy. There's a lot of clutter. But I painted all the walls with Chantilly lace from Sherwin-Williams. And it brightened up the room. Now here you can see before I painted the side wall and the back wall how dingy it was. And you can see as the paint's starting to come on the walls, it's starting to really change the appearance of the room. There was a lot of old cabinets that he had left here. So once I got the walls painted, I used some masonry bits and was able to secure the cabinets to the walls, and every cabinet is perfectly organized. Every single nail, screw, drill bit, it all has a perfect spot now. I'm not buying anything new. So the room already is so much brighter and cleaner. Now this part is going to be where we keep our crafts. So I wanted to have shelves, so we managed to hang some brackets, and we're eventually going to paint those shelves, but that's good for now. She can do her sewing. There's so many tools, and they're all in their own perfect spot, and plenty of room for her woodworking. Now in different parts of the house there was a lot of baseboards and trim and molding. Well, I made a shelf to store all that, and it's off the ground. That's what you see up there. And then I have some pegboard, mounted that. We're going to be adding more pegboard just for all the different little tools we have. And now this is a nice room for woodworking. We're keeping the cat down there. Cats.